Tired of watching your hard-earned cash evaporate like morning mist? Ever dreamt of your money multiplying like rabbits? Well, what if I told you there's a secret weapon that could turn your spending sprees into cashback bonanzas? Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of FavePay and unlock the magic of cashback. Imagine this: you're craving your favorite burger, but your wallet is feeling a little lighter than usual. Suddenly, you remember that app on your phone promising cashback. You fire it up, pay with FavePay, and bam, instant cashback. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's FavePay reality. But how does it actually work? What are the tricks, the tips, the hidden gems to maximize your cashback? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're about to embark on a cashback quest, uncovering every nook and cranny of FavePay to ensure you're leaving no money on the table. First things first, let's talk about what FavePay actually is. It's not just a payment method, it's your ticket to a world of savings. Think of it as your personal finance superhero, swooping in to rescue your wallet from the clutches of overspending. But to harness its full power, you need to understand its mechanics. We'll break down FavePay cashback into simple, easy-to-digest chunks. What is cashback? How do you earn it? Where can you spend it? And most importantly, how can you maximize your earnings? We'll cover everything from beginner tips to advanced strategies, ensuring you go from cashback newbie to cashback pro in no time. But wait, there's more. We'll also explore the different types of cashback available. There's the classic cashback, the elusive bonus cashback, and even partner cashback. We'll decipher the jargon, explain the differences, and show you how to stack them for maximum impact. And let's not forget about those pesky terms and conditions. Cashback offers can be tricky, with expiration dates, minimum spend requirements, and other confusing details. Fear not. We'll decode the fine print together, so you can focus on enjoying your savings without the stress. By the end of this video, you'll be a FavePay cashback wizard. You'll know how to spot a good deal from a mile away, optimize your spending, and watch your cashback balance grow like magic. So, are you ready to transform your spending habits and start reaping the rewards? Let's dive in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.